We are going to look at multi-step word problems and creating equations to help us solve them. Now, anytime you see a word problem, the most important thing to do is to read the problem very carefully and then underline the important information. So let's start by reading it. Lindsay and Abby were going to the store to buy lemons for their lemonade stand. They needed 3 lemons for every pitcher, and they wanted to make 6 pitchers of lemonade. If they already had 2 lemons, how many do they need to buy at the store? Okay, let's go ahead and underline the important information. So it's important that they needed 3 lemons for every pitcher, and they wanted to make 6 pitchers. It's also important that they already had 2 lemons. So the question is, how many do they need to buy at the store? Okay, now let's start by creating an equation for this. We want to know how many lemons they need to buy. So they needed 3 lemons for every pitcher, and they wanted to buy 6 pitchers. So if I drew a picture to help me, I could draw the 6 pitchers that they need, and the fact that they need 3 lemons for each pitcher. So my equation so far looks like 6 times 3. Now, I know that I need to do this first, so I can even put parentheses around that to tell me to do that first. Now, they already had 2 lemons at home, so that means those are 2 lemons they don't need to buy at the store. So 2 of these lemons, they don't need to buy at the store. So what we can do is get rid of 2 lemons by subtracting 2. This will give us the lemons they need to buy at the store. And I'm just going to put an L here for lemons. We don't know what that answer is yet. Okay, so now we can start solving. 6 times 3. So you can use the sketch that I drew to help us. 6 times 3 is 18. 18 minus 2 will give us our L. So 18 minus 2 is 16. So our answer is that they need to buy 16 lemons. Make sure you put your unit at the end there. Let's try to use this strategy for another problem. Again, to start solving this word problem, we need to read it very carefully and then underline our important information. So let's read it carefully. Lindsay and Abby needed to buy napkins for their lemonade stand. Each package had 6 blue napkins and 5 red napkins. They bought 4 packages. How many napkins did they buy? Okay, so we know that there are 6 blue in each package and 5 red, and they bought 4 packages total. So one strategy you might use is to draw a picture to help you really understand what's going on. So I know that there are 4 packages of napkins, and I know that in each of these there are 5 that are red, and then there are 6 that are blue. Okay, so now I have to create an equation to help me solve this. So I know that to figure out how many red there are total, I would multiply the 4 packages times the 5 red ones that come in each package. Okay, now to figure out how many blue ones there are, I would do the same thing. I would multiply the 4 packages that we have times the 6 blue napkins that come in each package. And that'll give me how many napkins that we bought, and I'll put an N for napkins. Okay, so now we can begin solving this. So 4 times 5, so 5, 10, 15, 20, plus 4 times 6. So I know 4 times 5 is 20. I want to add another group of 4, so that'll be 24. We need to add those up now. So 20 plus 24. So that means that they bought 44 napkins. And again, don't forget about your unit.